I'm going to show you how to stop an app from opening every time you tap a link related to that app. There's a few different ways to do this. I'll go to Settings first and scroll down to Apps. On the very top, there's a section for choosing the default apps. We'll go there first. Then from the list of default apps, you'll go to the bottom where it says Opening Links. There's a toggle up top that you can turn off. This will system-wide prevent your apps from launching when you're opening links, and it covers any app and any link type. It's a system-wide setting and might be good in some cases, but sometimes you want more control over which apps are affected. If you want to precisely choose which apps are blocked from opening, we can do that too. Go back to the app settings and from the list of apps, find the app you'd like to prevent from opening when tapping links. Inside the app settings, you'll see a section called Set as Default. Tap that and you'll get a toggle for opening supported links. Turning that toggle off will prevent this particular app from launching when you're opening links, but all the other apps on your device will still function normally. One thing I want to call out, if you're using Samsung Internet or Firefox, they have their own secret toggle. You can go into your browser settings and Useful Features or Advanced and look for Open Links in other apps. If that's on, the browser will literally push you out of the tab and into the app even if your system settings say no. Turn it off to stay in your tabs, and that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.